Hello, this is Jennifer Lunny, and this tutorial will show teachers in School District 69, Qualicum, how to create a Scholantis class. So in order to do this, you're going to open Chrome, and similar to logging into email, you are going to go to start.sd69.bc.ca, and we are on the teacher portal. So from here, I would click on My Site. And down the right-hand side, you will see the classes that I am already part of. To create a new class, I am going to click Create Class and give my class a name. The site will be created, and I will have some options to choose from. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick a logo. And now I have features to choose from. So for a basic classroom, this is what I would do to get started. I would select a home page. And on that home page, I would simplify and I would only have announcements. Okay, and you can add more later if need be. If you are planning to distribute assignments and collect them from students the same way Google Classroom does, you would turn on assignments. Keep in mind, in this platform, you are working in a Microsoft Windows environment, so students would be using online Word rather than using Google Drive. As you carry on down the list, to get started, I would turn on Portfolio so students can showcase their best work. And I may also turn on discussion, which is a feature that allows you to post a question or a video and have students respond to each other. And those would be all the features I would choose to get started. So I'm going to click Next, and it will take a little bit of time to create my website. Okay, the next step is that I choose who I want to be in the class. So my readers are people who can take a look at what's going on in my class. Perhaps here I would add my principal or vice principal. I'm going to remove all students, and I'm going to, in your case, you will be able to click Add Students, and you will see your My Ed students for your class pop up. You'll have an AM list and a PM list, and you will just select one or the other because they are the same, and your class will auto-enroll. I don't have that, so I am just enrolling a test student so that later I can create a screencast to show this test student's point of view. Okay, and if you co-teach, you can add any other teachers in your classroom down here. Click Finish. And now my site is created. So I have along the top, I have all the tabs that I set up when I was choosing features. My home page, where I can make announcements about what's going on this week. Assignments, where I can post an assignment and collect assignments from students, Google Classroom style. Here is where I would post questions or videos for to get my students interacting. And most of us are familiar with student portfolios. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.